Understanding the phrase, on the mark, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase, on the mark. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can really add nuance to your language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, on the mark, is used to indicate that something is precise, accurate, or correct. It's often used in situations where an assessment, a guess, or a statement is exactly right or spot on. Interestingly, this phrase has its roots in the world of archery, where hitting the mark means hitting the target precisely. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In conversation, imagine someone guesses your favorite movie, and they guess it right. You might respond, "Wow, you're really on the mark with that guess." 2. In academic or professional contexts, if someone presents a theory or explanation that is very accurate, a professor or colleague might say, "Your analysis is right on the mark." These examples show how on the mark can be used in various contexts to convey the idea of accuracy or correctness. It's important not to confuse on the mark with similar sounding phrases like off the mark, which means inaccurate or incorrect. Also, on your mark is different. It's used in races to tell competitors to get ready to start. Let's do a quick exercise. I'll give a scenario, and you decide if on the mark is appropriate. Scenario: your friend predicts that it will rain tomorrow, and it does. Would you say their prediction was on the mark? Yes, because their prediction was accurate. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, on the mark. I hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations is key to mastering them. Until next time, keep learning and happy speaking.